Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Gate.io app. So first of all, you will have to launch your Gate.io mobile application, and here on the home page, you will be able to see the buy crypto option, and in the popular crypto section, you will also be able to see BTC. So you can tap on any of these options and you will be landed on this page where you need to tap on buy and make sure that in the buy section BTC is selected. Afterwards, you will have to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin and press buy BTC in the bottom. Afterwards, it will redirect you on the Gate.io's official website where you need to tap on the login option in the top right hand corner and you need to simply log in into your account. Then it will redirect you on the provider's website where you just have to again provide your email address and phone number and create your account there. Then you need to enter the amount again and select your favorite payment method. Now after selecting the payment method, you just have to conclude your payment, and once your payment is completed, you will be able to buy Bitcoin directly with the help of the Gate.io mobile application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.